Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends onto your Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warframe game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels after you log in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the game, just complete the basic tutorial levels and you will gain access to your ship. Once you are inside your ship, just tap on the escape button within your keyboard and now tap on communication. You will now see the friends option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the add friend menu. Go ahead and tap on this once again, and you can now enter your friend's username in order to add them to your game. Just type in their username within the name section, and you can also enter a custom message in order to add them as your friend. After entering the name and the message, just tap on the confirm button, and this will send a friend request to this user. Once this user taps on the accept button from the friend request page, you will become friends with this player and you will now be able to play as a squad. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.